In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the arrow tools in TradingView to clearly mark your trades and improve your chart analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load the chart you want to analyze. Pick any asset like stocks, crypto, or forex using the search bar so your chart is ready. Now move to the left side toolbar where all the drawing tools are located. Look for the annotation or drawing section and find the arrow tools. You'll see different types like upward and downward arrows. Select the upward arrow tool if you want to mark a buy or entry point. Then click on the chart where you entered the trade. Next, select the downward arrow tool to mark things like stop loss or exit points, and click on the price level where you placed it. These arrows help you quickly understand your decisions when reviewing your trades later. If you want to adjust an arrow, simply click and drag it to reposition it on the chart. You can also right-click on the arrow to change its color, size, or style to match your setup. Take a moment to experiment and use arrows to highlight important moments on your chart. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use arrow tools in TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.